Hello to all of the students. Students, today you have to see about the polymethyl methacrylate. You know the polymethyl methacrylate, in short it is written or abbreviated by letters PMMA. It is actually a thermoplastic type of polymer. A thermoplastic type of polymer means on heating it becomes soft, on cooling it becomes hard. On heating we can give it a desirable shape according to our necessity, and after cooling it get converted into particular shape object. Also it has a transparent property, therefore it is used as a glass or in glass making. I already told you methyl methacrylate, abbreviated by letter PMMA, which is also known as acrylic or plexiglass. Therefore it is used alternative to the glass due to its transparency property and lightweight. And also due to its shatter resistancy. That means it does not easily break into pieces. Now let us see about the preparation or synthesis of PMMA. Now PMMA synthesis have different types of methods. For that you can use emulsion polymerization, solution polymerization, or bulk polymerization. But generally you can see that radical initiation is used mostly, including leaving polymerization method for the synthesis of PMMA. But instead of that you can also use anionic polymerization for synthesis of PMMA. Now PMMA produced by radical polymerization commercially in atactic and completely amorphous preparation of PMMA. But also one thing you have to remember that to produce 1 kilogram of PMMA, about 2 kg of petroleum is needed. Let us see about the preparation of monomer of the polymer PMMA. You can directly use methyl methacrylate, but if you have to prepare the methyl methacrylate monomer for the preparation of polymethyl methacrylate polymer, you need acetone cyanohydride. Acetone cyanohydride means the carbon and its 4 valencies are satisfied by 2 methyl group, 1 OH and 1 CN. It is to be treated with sulfuric acid at 125 degree Celsius. At that time, there is removal of water molecule takes place. The OH from the carbon and hydrogen from its neighboring carbon, that means CH3, is given out. And after removing hydrogen, CH3 get converted into CH2 and CCH3 bond get converted into C double bond CH2. And also the CN bond, you can see that carbon get bonded with oxygen as C double bond O, and nitrogen get converted into NH2. In such a way there is formation of methacryl amide, as there is a CONH2 linkage, therefore it is called as methacryl amide sulfate. And you can see after NH2 H2SO4 is written. Now this methacryl amide sulfate is treated with methanol and water. In this step, you can see that NH2 is given out, and instead of NH2, its position is taken by OCH3, that means methoxy group. In such a way, methyl methacrylate is formed, which acts as a monomer in preparation of PMMA. Let us see how it is prepared. Methyl methacrylate is written CH3 C double bond CH2 C double bond OO CH3. Undergo polymerization, but here you can see that actually which part undergoes polymerization? Here you can see that CH3 C double bond CH2 part of methyl methacrylate undergo polymerization, and other part remains in branching only. You can see that CH3 C CH2 C double bond CH2 get converted into single bond to the base N. In such a way, you can see how this portion undergo polymerization to form this repeating unit of CH3 C CH2 to the base N. In such a way, polymethyl methacrylate PMMA is formed. After that, another method is also given in the synthesis of PMMA. It is also carried out by free radicals from an aqueous solution of different concentration of a cationic surfactant, cetyl trimethyl ammonium bromide, that is also abbreviated as CTAB, and different concentration of insoluble monomer methyl methacrylate as a dispersed phase. But this reaction is carried out at the frequency of 20 kHz for 1 hour under inert atmosphere of nitrogen. For this, the new method is given. In this new method, 2-hydroxy 2-methyl propanol, you can see on a screen, CH3CCHO acts as a parent here, and CH3 and OH, they are in a branching, which undergo oxidation with KMNO4 to form 2-hydroxy 2-methyl propanoic acid. CHO, that in formyl group, directly get converted into COOH on oxidation. This acid group formation takes place in this step to form 2-hydroxy 2-methyl propanoic acid, again with H2SO4, gives rise to form methacrylic acid. While forming methacrylic acid, you can see that OH from one carbon is removed, and one of the hydrogen from CH3, the left side CH3 is removed. After removing hydrogen, CH3 get converted into CH2, and carbon double bond CH2 bond is formed, and there is removal of H2O, one hydrogen from CH3 and one OH group from another carbon, which again with methanol and sulfuric acid gives to the formation of methyl methacrylate. You can see CH3 C double bond CH2 C double bond O OCH3, which on polymerization gives rise to the formation of PMMA, polymethyl methacrylate. Now applications. The PMMA have different applications. For that, first one is, it is used in helmet visors. You can see on a screen. It is also used in aircraft windows, panels. It is used in viewing dome in Airbus helicopters. It is used in interior lights of automobiles. It is also used in residents, that means in our houses. It is the glass made from the PMMA is used. It is used as safety glass such as plexiglass and lucite. It is used under water restaurants for safety shields. It has also medical uses. It is used in bone treatment as a bone cement, used in arthroplastic procedures for the hip, knee and other joints, for the fixation of polymer or metallic prosthetic implants to living bone. It is also used in pacemakers. It has a great importance in making artificial eye lenses, which is used in eye surgery. It is also suspended in collagen and implanted to reduce wrinkles in cosmetic procedures. It is mostly useful in blacklight tattooing, which is made of 97.5% PMMA and 2.5% microspheres. It is also used in animal, plants and fish for the purpose of tracking migration, growth patterns and breeding habits. I already told you that it has a transparency properties. You can see on a screen through simple glass you can't see clear, but if the glass is made from PMMA, it has a greater transparency than a simple glass.